Today we will solve some quadratic equations. Anytime solve means solve is equal to find the variable x. Find the value of variable x. Any variable x or y or anything. Just we will go through few sums and solve them. 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we have already learned that x square coefficient 2 and constant 10 should be multiplied. These factors you have to get into prime factors, 2 into 1, and this is 5 into 2 into 1. Now using these factors we have to get 9 either by adding or subtracting according to the sign required. Now 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 1 or 5 is equal to 5, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. That is, we got the coefficient, but along with the sign we have to be careful using. So 2 into 2, or you can use it as minus 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 9 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Now when you multiply, the product should be 20. Minus 4 into minus 5 is minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to plus 20. So you got the product 20, and by subtracting, that is minus 4 and minus 5, you get minus 9. So splitting this middle term, 2x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now what is common here? No numerical common, x common, so 2x the remaining, and minus 5. Now what is common here? Number 2, minus 2. So 2x, here you got minus 2 outside, so the other one will be minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 5 is plus 10 is equal to 0. Now 2x minus 5, and what is the remaining? X minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 5 by 2, here x is equal to 2. Therefore the solution set is equal to 5 by 2 and 2. Understood? Now take one more example. 6x into 3x minus 7 is equal to 7 into 7 minus 3x. Now here you can open the brackets. You can open the brackets and get into quadratic form and factorize, or you can replace 3x minus 7 is equal to some y, but anyhow that again you lead into confusion. We will get into expand the bracket. 6x square, 6x into 3x is 18x square. 6x into 3x is 18x square. 6x into minus 7 is minus 42x. Now 7 into 7 is 49, and 7 into minus 3x is minus 21x. Now bringing all the terms to one side, 18x square minus 42x. Now minus will become plus 21x. 49 will become minus 49 is equal to 0. Now simplifying, this middle term you should split according to the given, that is when it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a into c you should do, then factorize and get the middle term b. So that is the way. Not this splitting is not for us. So you have to simplify it. 18x square minus 42 plus 21. So it is again minus 21x minus 49 is equal to 0. Now is anything common? No. So now 49 factors, 7 into 7 or 7 into 1. Now 18 factors. What are the 18 factors? 3, 6. Again 6 will become 3, 2. So totally you got 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. Using these factors you should get minus 21. Now 7 sevens are 49. 49 minus 18 is how much? 9 minus 1, 31. Isn't it? 49 minus 18.
ఒక సెకండ్